Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm here to unbox and show you Anna Griffin Christmas card making kit, the big mega box that makes 48 cards. And I bought it on HSN, and she sells it online, annagriffin.com, and on HSN. And so yeah, let's get started. It's so big that it's a video by itself. This is the new color this year. See how big the box is? It's a pretty good size. Anna Griffin Christmas box card making kit. See how she has that sewed so that you can reuse it over and over and get it on and off. That's a good idea. I do get rid of this little bit of paper to get out of the way. Let's see here. So I'm going to just show you what it looks like when you're going to unpackage all the goodies in here. We'll go through it, but I'm going to move the box out of the way, and I'm going to bring in a tray that I made from Glue Gun Chronicles from this channel. Yes, I am Glue Gun Chronicles, and this is just a Dollar Tree tray pan, and I glued it a couple of years ago with my hot glue gun, Charlie, and it has a pocket here, and it's got a glue seam here, and it's got a pocket here, and yeah, and it's over two and a half years old, and it looks new. So you can hang it on a wall, put magnets on it, put it on a refrigerator, leave notes, all kind of stuff. So okay, let's get started. I'm 99% sure it was 48 cards. Christmas box card making kit, and this is the examples. And she had dies to do the embossing that you see, like on the gold, and I have those with me right here. And so I'm going to, when I make a tutorial of this box, I'll be using these too. These are for Christmas, but you can use them anytime on anything. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see, did I open the inside and show you all the specialty ones? So okay, let's get started. We always get the pop dots, and we use them up. First thing is the sentiments, and I see that they're in so many different colors. I'll show you a couple. I'm not going to worry about showing you every one and read every one, but it's got gold foil paper or inlay in it, beige, silvery colors, red, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, peace, love, and joy, Happy Christmas, just for you this Christmas, wishing you a joyous Christmas, wishing you a glorious Christmas. So, peace on earth, Happy Christmas, Happy Holidays. So, okay, there's a couple of samplings of that, and we'll put that on top of that bag, and I'll put it back up in a minute. Let's get into the box and what's next. The bows are very pretty, gold and red. I have 1, 2, 3 Christmas boxes up there on my shelf, and I use them, but they're not empty. They still have cards to make and a lot of extra embellishments. That's why I love her kits, because she usually does a kit for 20 cards, but this one's 48. The big boxes are 48. but you have so much left over supplies to still use. So those bows are really pretty. I'm gonna have to make sure I leave them laying flat in that box. I don't want them to get all crinkly. Okay, so what's next? These are the embellishments, and I'm pretty sure they're all stickers. So let's see what kind of embellishments we get with this. I ordered this and didn't even see it on the HSN where I bought it, and you can buy it at her store too. But I just knew I wanted it, and yeah, these are stickers. So that's nice. Sorry, I got the glue on it. So there you go. Ornaments and presents. And some more presents. And a different present. So there's a lot of color and variety to choose from. And then we have bells, presents. I don't know if you saw those. More presents, a different type of bell, or two doubles. Then we have swans, maybe, or birds. I don't know which. But they're all of these pieces I'm showing you are three-dimensional. They are pop dotted. See how it's there? And they're pop dotted. So most of the work is already done for us. These are reefs, and these are deer, and these are ornaments, horn, more ornaments, a different kind of colored bird, a different ornament, and some snowflakes, and more ornaments. Okay, so let's put that on the bag, and let's see what else we're going to get in here. And I'll make a tutorial when I make some of these cards. I'll go ahead and make a tutorial and show off 5 to 10 of them. I've got a lot to make. These are card toppers, and all you have to do is put pop dots on the back and you could be done. See? And put a couple of these or pop dots to raise them, and stick them on a card. Let's say this is your card right here, and it could be done. And you can also find the matching bird, and you could layer it up and then become really fancy. But that's a lot of gold on gold. If you don't like what this sentiment says, you can take one of her other sentiments and put it there. So you can make it your own. So now let's see what else is the card toppers. The poinsettias, and let's see what else we have here. We have 2 of each. Warmest wishes. That can also be not Christmas, actually. Christmas greetings to you. Look how pretty that is. And the bell. And the roses, white roses. A mosquito or gnat in here. That one's pretty with the roses on it. It's really nice. All gold foiling. See how all they did was take a piece of ribbon and tape it right here, but then you flop it over or turn it over, and it just really brings it up another notch, a level. There is a fly. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Happy holidays and season's greetings. A lot of gold this year, which is fine. I love this kit. I'm very happy with it. Look at the poinsettias. And so then we put this on the stack that it belongs on. And now, what else are we going to get into here? We're still digging in the box here, ladies. Let's see, what are we going to have? White roses. Wish that fly would leave me alone. It's irritating me. And holly, poinsettias. And they're all three-dimensional. A lot of greenery. See those roses there? Do you see the three-dimensional? It's really nice. So me thinking out loud before I've even made any, and these are stickers, I would use the ones that look 99% or 100% Christmas up before I would use this one. So this would be used last so that I could use it on an everyday card and not a Christmas card. So like this one could be an everyday card and not a Christmas card. So I really love these kits. Now I don't know if I could get away with that as an everyday card. It looks pretty much Christmas with the tree. Isn't it so pretty? Let's run through this real fast. That fly, ugh. You get quite a few of the trees. That's nice, because I'll use them up. And there's a lot of roses. It's a white and red theme I see going on right here. These are smaller. So, and the white poinsettias. So yeah. Alright. So let me put that bag right here. I'll put this back up after the video is done. We'll start into the next package. I'll make a tutorial and I'll link this back. So these are foil. That fly likes all the lighting. So there is holly, but in gold foil, and there is snowflakes, starburst. Oh, that's holy. This is actually a note, or it's, I need my glasses to see it. And starburst, but that was pretty. All kind of things in here. Look at all the embellishments. Wow, look at that. Look how big that is. And feathers. Okay. That's nice. I'm rushing now because that fly is bothering me. Okay, so these are toppers that go on top of the card. And we'll go through the colors and then I'll show you an example. So there's red and cream and white and green. It's all on one side. And here is green with a little bit of red and gold. Looks very Christmassy. Snowflakes. This is all gold foil. There you go. So what it is here is all the cards. And all the cards say handmade by, and I never sign that because I want the person that I give it to let them have a chance to say they made it if they like it. So what this is you take shoe fly, the card, and you can take this right here. I put pop dots on it and raise it up, and see how it just changes the look already. And then put a card topper on it, or you just put a card topper on it and pop dot it up. and you can save all the other embellishments for something else. So it just depends on how much you want to put on and how much you don't. So there is the one card, and here is, it is a grayish with gold. Here's another of that grayish, taupey, I don't know, it's a grayish with gold. And here is the red. Here is white and cream in the gold foiling. And here is red, and it's got gold foiling. Now this is a different than that one. This is really pretty. And these do not have to be for Christmas if you don't want to use them for Christmas. And you get 4 of each pattern. And here is red and green. Here is the red with gold. Very beautiful colors. Here is white and gold. Here is green. Green on green. Here's white and cream. And then here is the one I started off with. Okay, and we still have stuff to show you. Here. Then we get 48 of the heavy duty gold foil paper. This stuff is very expensive. I don't use it on every card, and I hoard this. I love it. And then she also gives us the envelopes to go with it. So guys, if you're ever wondering, is it worth it? Yes. These big kits and her smaller ones are worth it. So hopefully you liked my video, and you will follow me. All my links are down below, and I hope that you hit that subscribe button. Have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.